If you've ever had a scene that requires ice cream, here's a Dependable Expendables solution for you. Here are your ingredients. Let's get started. Add a third cup of instant mashed potato flakes. Then add in 1 cup of vegetable shortening. Using a hand or stand mixer, mix the shortening with the mashed potato flakes. Add drops of food dye for desired color. Then add in the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time. Continue adding the powdered sugar until the mixture starts to form a doughy texture. Mix in the corn syrup and the fruit pieces. Now you can start scooping away, and that's all there is to it. Now you know what to do